Alright, my dog is somehow going crazy. Okay. Hey guys, my dog's going crazy, like I said. I don't know really. Like, she just got all excited because my mom's leaving. It's just so funny though. Hold on, I'm gonna take another video. I'm gonna take another part to this because I can't really switch the camera angle. Yeah, that's my dog. She just somehow just going crazy. It's kind of funny to watch. So, she's kind of really good dog. She just barks a lot. It's kind of funny, but, that goes where she got my channel right now. Oh, she this in a while. Doesn't really do that much, but check it out later. But give the video a thumbs up. If like, my dog, I can take more videos. I'm hoping to do that. Yeah, but yeah. I'm hoping to go in the basement to get a good vlog in tomorrow. First time I have never taken a full vlog out of my house. Taking vlogs inside my house, outside with my friends. Only a couple minutes. I'm gonna take some videos. I'm gonna then edit back in my house. Then I'm gonna which will be yeah. But I'm gonna my mom's going now. Yeah. Go my aunt. Going to Ryland. Long story short. Don't know how they even want to hear that story. It's just, basically, since my mom says her phone, I got her phone. Her phone's me. My phone's not mine, so I don't see the difference. But my dog showed the girl again. Color showed the girl. My mom thinks I'm gonna show silly, but it's kind of fun though. Remember that. Now she's calmed down, but she's kind of interested. But subscribe to my channel, guys. Again, like this video, comment. Remember, subscribe again. Let's get started again. No, I got a comment. Send on my phone. Subscribe. Remember, guys. Stay tuned for the upcoming vlog I'm gonna do called Elise the Beast vlog. But I'm hoping it'll work. Give this video a thumbs up, guys, and talk to you guys later. Bye, and thumbs up, thumbs down. No thumbs down, please, because obviously that doesn't make total sense unless you think it's with a terrible video. Like if you're, but yeah, you guys later. Bye.